These birds are as well. They're some of the best moyna birds you can possibly buy because the other moyna birds, they're not loyal. They will learn how to speak, but as soon as you let them go from the cage, they will betray you. They will fly off. But you see with these ones are 100% loyal. They stay with you, they fly with you, they go everywhere with you. They stay on your head, your shoulder, and they're very hot tempered as well, these birds. They don't like strangers. They're only loyal to their owners. Look at him. He's so beautiful, Riz. I swear to God, I can't believe the the buzz I'm getting just stroking him and watching him, clean his fur and stuff. Bro, this is a country where you can own tigers. I swear to God. You know, if I had the money to buy meat every day, I'm talking fucking 10 kilos of meat every day, then I'd buy a fucking baby tiger as well. You know what I mean? It's responsibility, but I can get a tiger tomorrow if I wanted to. Tiger, giant cats, there's different types of tigers there. The only thing is, bro, you need money to feed them meat, bro. Otherwise, they fucking end up turning on me. But yeah, man, look at this beautiful chick, bro. So beautiful.